Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today we're diving into the BingX platform and breaking down everything you need to know about BingX trading fees. Whether you're a new user or an experienced trader, understanding these fees can help you optimize your trading costs. And don't forget to use our BingX referral code CHUCHU to get exclusive sign-up bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the different types of fees you might encounter on BingX. These include spot trading fees, margin trading fees, futures trading fees, and fees for deposits and withdrawals. Being aware of these fees is crucial for managing your trading costs effectively. Spot trading fees are charged for every successful trade on the BingX spot market. These fees are always charged in the asset you receive. For example, if you buy ETH USDT, the fee is paid in ETH. Conversely, if you sell ETH USDT, the fee is paid in USDT. If you buy 10 ETH at 3,000 USDT each, the trading fee is 10 ETH, 0.1%, 0.01 ETH. If you sell 10 ETH at 3,000 USDT each, the trading fee is 10 ETH, 3,000 USDT, 0.1%, your 30 USDT. VIP levels. BingX offers various VIP levels that provide discounts on trading fees. The higher your trading volume, the better the discounts. Promotions. Keep an eye out for promotional trading pairs with zero fees. Remember to use our referral code CHUCHU when signing up to get exclusive rewards. Margin trading fees. Margin trading on BingX allows you to borrow funds to trade larger positions. Here's how the fees work. Margin interest rates vary depending on the borrowed asset and the user's VIP level. Regular interest rates apply, but higher VIP levels get better rates. Impact of VIP levels. Higher VIP levels reduce your margin trading fees. Achieving VIP status depends on your 30-day trading volume and BNB balance. Futures trading fees. Futures trading fees on BingX are generally lower than spot trading fees. They are divided into maker and taker fees. Maker fees. These are fees charged when you add liquidity to the order book by placing a limit order below the market price for a buy and above the market price for a sell. Taker fees. These are fees charged when you remove liquidity from the order book by placing any order that is executed against the market price. If you trade a futures contract worth 10,000 USDT, the maker fee might be 0.02%, which equals 2 USDT. The taker fee might be 0.04%, which equals 4 USDT. Fee reductions. Use BNB to pay for futures trading fees for a discount. Increase your VIP level to further reduce these fees. Using our referral code CHUCHU can help you get started with some bonus perks. BingX charges fees for deposits and withdrawals, but these vary depending on the asset. Deposit fees. Generally, crypto deposits are free, but fiat deposits might incur a fee depending on the payment method. Withdrawal fees. These fees are dynamic and depend on the blockchain network conditions at the time of the transaction. Use crypto deposits to avoid deposit fees. Check the withdrawal fee structure regularly to find the most cost-effective time to withdraw. To keep your trading costs low, consider these tips. Use platform tokens for fees. Holding platform tokens like BNB and using them to pay for trading fees can save you a significant amount on trading fees. Increase your VIP level. Higher trading volumes and holding more platform tokens can elevate your VIP status, leading to reduced fees across the board. Stay updated on promotions. BingX frequently offers promotions like zero-fee trading pairs. Make sure to stay informed to take advantage of these deals. Let's compare BingX fees with other popular exchanges. Generally, BingX offers competitive fees, but it's always good to know how they stack up. Spot trading fees. BingX charges 0.1% for both makers and takers, which is competitive compared to other major exchanges. Futures trading fees. The standard futures trading fee on BingX is 0.045%, which is lower than many other platforms. Withdrawal fees. BingX uses dynamic fee adjustments based on network conditions, which can be more cost-effective compared to fixed withdrawal fees on some other platforms. Understanding BingX trading fees is essential for optimizing your trading strategy. Remember to use our BingX referral code CHUCHU when signing up to get exclusive sign-up rewards. This code can give you a great start with bonuses that reduce your initial trading costs. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and crypto insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.